Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek channel. In this video I'm going to unbox and do a quick review on this Black Diamond Revolt or Revolt 350 lumens. Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to review and unbox this Black Diamond Revolt 350 lumens rechargeable headlight. It's also storm proof, I guess weatherproof. Let me see, let's look at some of the spec first at the back of it. So it has a three AAA batteries, lithium ion, 3-year warranty, weatherproof, up to the IPX4, and it's weighing at 56 gram plus 35 gram for the batteries, total 91 gram. I don't know how many pounds that is. So it has a nice thing here is that it uses a tap instead of a button for you to increase and decrease or adjust the illumination, dimming instead of like abrupt changes of illumination. It has strobe mode, USB charging, you can lock it, I don't know what proximity means, and then LED, red LED. So these are some I guess estimated runtime. So if you have it on low, 6 lumens, you can run it for 8 minutes in a distance, 200 hours on a burn time. Yeah, I'm not sure what this means. At 350 lumens on a AAA alkaline, you can run it, I guess, on the distance mode, 82 minutes. On the burn time, it's only 4 hours. Well, actually, 82 minutes is shorter than 4 hours. Anyway, so this is a chart that shows you the amount of time that you will get. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so it's pretty interesting. The main LED here has kind of like a radiant look for the reflector, and it has 2 other LED. I'm not sure if this is a sensor right here. This is definitely another LED, and the brand is here. On the left side it has battery indicator. On the right side it has USB. That's where you peel off. Yeah, so this is where the USB plug is at. And looks like you can remove this or something. Okay, on the top, looks like this is some kind of button to lock, I guess. And this is a button. Okay, so I don't know what they mean by tap. This is definitely not a tap, this is a button. Okay, so when you wear it like this on your forehead, you can tilt this. It has a several degrees of tilt, and it comes with an adjustable, stretchable headband. And yeah, so I guess it came completely uncharged, or without charge, because I can't turn it on at all. So I'm gonna plug it in to the USB. This is a micro USB, by the way. It came with a cable, and it also came with manual. So this is the this is actually the Sprinter 275, I guess. I don't know why they have the Revolt 350 here. All right, so this is one of those quite complicated well, not complicated, just hard to fold back. All right, let me see if there's anything here that I would like to talk about. Okay, well, it looks like it's just the top button here. This is to turn it on and off. And then once it's, looks like when it's on, in order for you to change mode, I think you press it again for you to change mode between max, dim, or strobe. And then, oh, this is where you tap. So you can tap this side right here to adjust the brightness of the light. Okay, I don't know what that rear memory means. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty interesting. I'm going to charge it first, and then we'll test the illumination and the different modes after it's been charged. Okay, I forgot to cover one more section here. So right next to the USB outlet, there is a latch here that I think you can just pry off with your finger. There you go. So you can just pull it out. Kind of hard, but it's working. Okay, so I think this is the battery compartment. If I can just get it off. Oh, this is pretty tight. All right, there you go. Yeah, so this is a battery compartment. Oh, okay. So I need to pull out this tab, obviously, to make it operational, so that the battery contact will touch the contact there. And so this is the lithium battery that comes with it. This is 1800 mAh lithium. Very nice. And the nice thing about this headlight is that if you don't have this, you can also use 3 AAA alkaline batteries and it will still work. So actually we're gonna try both of them and see if there's any difference in illuminations. Okay, so you have to remove this plastic before charging, and this is how you access the battery compartment through there, and you just, I guess, snap it back like that. There you go. Here is the light indicator when it is charging. It's blue color, the one that is done, and it's working on the second dot right now, and it's blinking. Okay, the battery is now fully charged. Let me turn off the floodlight here. So as you can see, all 3 LED lights are all lit up. And I'm going to explain the operations next. So there are 2 buttons here on the top. One is a really big one, and that's to basically turn on and off. This small one here is actually a mode selector. That's the best that I can describe it. And then there is a tab here where this looks like a light bulb or something shining type of icon here. This is where you tap it. Depending on the mode that you're in, it will do different things. So let me demonstrate here a little bit. So first we are going to turn it on. So to turn it on, you press this button here. Right now we are in the red LED mode. So it's showing a red LED like that. And in this mode, if we tap this, it will go through 2 different intensity, low and high intensity. See if you can see it. High, low, high, low. Okay, and then let me press this button again to change to the main LED. So this is the the main LED in the middle, and it's actually not the brightest LED. The brightest LED is this one right here. So in this mode, when I tap this button here, it will turn on the other LED. You see that? So that LED turns on, and that's much brighter than this middle LED, despite the size. So by tapping that, it turns on the bright LED, and both of them stays on. Okay, so let's go through another cycle. Tap that again. Now in this mode, sorry, not cycle, sorry, this mode. So we're going through another mode where the small brighter LED is on, and then if we tap that, then the center one will turn on and off. So it's the opposite of the other mode. Okay, so and then you click on the mode button again, and then we go back to red, and then we go to this mode with this on, and then the other mode, the inverse of that, with that on. Okay, and then we're back to the red LED, and then if you press this button, it will turn it off, on, off. So whatever mode that you last leave it, when you turn it on and off, it will basically go to that mode. Oh yeah, I forgot. In this, if you leave it to the main center one, and another feature for this particular headlight is strobe mode, and all of the different LEDs here all can do strobe mode. So the way that you do this is that first you would turn it on, and let's cycle that through to the main LED for easier demonstration. And then to enable strobe mode, you just double press this main button here, and then it goes to strobe mode. Okay, and then you can actually press on the mode to switch it to the other LED. All of them can do strobe mode, which is pretty cool. Okay, and to turn it off, you just press it again one more time, turns it off. So press it one time, turns it on, double, goes to strobe mode, press it again, turns it off, and that's the same to all the different modes. And you can also do this for when it's both turned on. Okay, so let's do that real quick. Let's try it. So this is on, and if I tap that, they're both on, and here we are, double strobe. Okay, and press it again to turn it off. Cycle mode. Let me see where we are here. Okay, that's just that. So let's cycle it to go there, and then if we tap that, it should be both on, and then if I double press the top, it should go to cycle strobe mode with both on. There you go, very bright strobe mode. And press once to turn off. There you go. Overall impression, guys, this is a very nice headlight with a lot of features. I really like it. I'm going to put a link in the description, or in the comments and description. If you guys would like to buy this strobe light, I would appreciate if you use my link. It helps support making more of these videos. And let me see what else. Yeah, let me disconnect this. Yeah, by the way, this is also waterproof, in case I didn't mention that. And yeah, so it's a very nice strobe light. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and I plan to review many other cool gadgets and tools for DIY people like me, you, I guess. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these, and support my channel. Thank you.